Well guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. It's the end of November and the Christmas lights are on here at Ayia Napa, and they've really done well this year. Wow, look at this. We're in the town square. I'm gonna go left towards the church and all the way round. Amazing lights this year. So starting off at this tree, looks like it's raining lights. Hello, did that fountain go off? I think it did. As I said, I'm going to do a left and go round. First of all, look left, we've got the stage where there's loads of events going on, and that's all lit up. We'll go on to the trees near the church. There we are. At the back where the little car park is, all the trees are lit up. There's the stalls for the Christmas markets, and I do believe if we go up round we can get round the other side. So up here, in comparison to the rest of the lights, there's not a lot going on here, but nevertheless it's quite lovely. Look at this, beautiful, isn't it? Going round here, back round the park. On the left we've got Father Christmas and his reindeer. Then we've got presents, Christmas trees, we've got snowmen that have lit up. We've even got umbrellas at the top. There we are, there's our snowman and the umbrella. We've got more Christmas decorations. People feeding the cats, well done. More umbrellas there. Wow, I love the umbrellas, don't you guys? They're new. I've never seen them before. We did have umbrellas before at the harbour. We'll go and have a look, see if there's umbrellas down there in a bit. Let's do this area first because it's massive. All the trees are lit up. Oh, and it's marvellous. Fountains come back on. That looks impressive. Looks like we've got lights around the fountain as well. A massive Christmas tree this year. Beautiful star right at the top. Wow. Moving on, we've got Christmas stockings at the entrance of the fountain with loads of presents. Come round there guys, look at these umbrellas. Little Christmas trees as well, why not? There we are, more Christmas themes here, right next to the Agia Napa sign. How about that? We've got some candy, a ball. We'll go on to the roundabout. I think the roundabout is very impressive, and then we'll go up through the park, and I do believe there's more lights up there. Very, very impressive. Right up at the top guys. Oh, look at this convenient located bench, all lit up. There's the roundabout with Christmas decorations all the way round. Looks like they're presents. All the palm trees are lit up, every single one of them. Continuing on round the bus stop. We'll have a look round here. we've got the baby Jesus here, 3 wise men, lots of gifts.
It's the baby Jesus.
Yes. Oh, another Santa Claus with loads of presents. How about that? Very impressive. It's enormous. Look at all the lights around the trees at the park. Very impressive. Let's go through the arch towards the castle. So it's a big castle entrance with loads of lights, Christmas trees. Let's go through, shall we? There we are. There we are. Look at this. Whole pathways lit up all right at the top. We're working our way back towards the centre. Look at that. Thousands and thousands of lights everywhere. We've got snowmen either side. And if I go left, there is a lift that will take you down towards the other level. That's for our disabled customers, but I might get a good view of the town square from here. There we are, out on the platform. Look at that, brilliant view. So there's the fountain, the stage there on the right hand side, the Ayia Napa sign with all those lit up umbrellas. Very impressive. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to walk down the harbour, see what the lights are down in the harbour itself. I think they're going to be pretty impressive. So let's go down this slope through the park, past the Ayia Napa sign, and then down. There's a massive tree. Don't think we had the tree last year in the square. Can't remember the tree. Oh, we might have had a tree, but it was at the far end, not here at the front. I don't think it was this impressive. Anyway, we've got lots of new lights. Lots of people enjoying the lights as well. Let's go out to the Ayia Napa sign and then go down from there, shall we? There we are. So there's the Ayia Napa sign, all lit up. Oh, the intercity bus. There we are, it's going to Larnaca. You see, I think they're going to the airport. They've got their suitcases and everything. So they're going to go down to Larnaca on the intercity bus and then take the airport bus from there. So you can see on the lamppost more lights. Now these were there last year, so no different there guys, but they are impressive. So we have got all lit up lampposts right down towards the harbour. There, can you see the lights on the lampposts? There we are. Now it's not far to walk down. I think last year we had Christmas decorations on the roundabout. Oh, there's ice cream, look at that. Delish. Might be back. Ice cream. Today's been quite warm actually guys. Still got winter sunshine. There goes the intercity bus. Now that'll go straight to Larnaca. Turn right at the traffic lights. But it should do. Up Nissi Avenue, past the water park, and then a turn right at Sodira onto the highway, straight down the highway, and then turn left towards Larnaca. So virtually straight there. That'll probably only take another 20 minutes or so to reach Larnaca, not far at all. Maybe half an hour at most. There you are. Christmas decorations at the restaurants that are open. Right, let's cross Nisi Avenue. Now I can see the harbour. Look, every single lamppost got lights on. Look at that, you can see them in a row now. Does look wonderful. More buses coming up. I think it's the 101. Here we are. So as I was saying, beautiful day today. This evening it's not chilly at all actually. Still need a little bit of a cardigan and some lightweight trousers. Oh, it's a 501. Oh, there you are. There's Raphael's Taverna, still open, very busy. That's coming up to that time of the year where people are thinking of booking their holiday for next year. There's the 710. And if you've come on the channel guys for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, completely free. I won't be emailing you or telling you stuff or whatever. It's just free, you press the button, that's it. Oh, by the way, this bar's up for sale, look at that. It's a whole lot. It's this bar here, this section, and a little sort of, I'm not sure what that is, a little kiosk. So we've got a little kiosk, I think that was ice cream there, then a bar, then this sort of, not sure what that is, another bar, and I think it's the travel agents as well. The whole lot is up for sale. I wonder how much that is. Could be a little adventure. Anyway, so people coming on the channel first time, if you're booking a holiday for next year and you're looking at a specific hotel, say for instance you've got a special offer on or something like that, a discount, put Cyprus Insight first on YouTube. So type that out first and then the name of the hotel and it'll bring up. And don't just look at the recent video, always look at the previous videos as well, because we often miss things. For instance, I might miss the spa one video, catch it the next video. Here we are, right at the roundabout. Yeah, looks like we've got Christmas presents again on the roundabout. We've got the arch going into the harbour. And I do believe we had umbrellas last year or the year before. We've got something different this year. Always changing things around. All the roundabouts, by the way, are all decorated this time of the year. You can go down to Paralimni. Paralimni's amazing lights at Paralimni. We'll do a video on that definitely, because that is impressive as well. There we are, we've got our Christmas presents round the roundabout. I'll go all the way round. I think we're going to have our 2025 sign up. What is it, 2026 sign? Oh, mine. Thank you. That was silly. That's the floating carpet over there. So this year we've got Christmas trees, we've got lit up candy, the whole arch is all lit up, it's beautiful. More Christmas presents. We've got snowmen this year. They weren't here last year. So we've got 2 snowmen at the entrance to the 2026 sign. Look at that. Don't time fly. There we are. Looks very impressive. Some people taking photos, and why not? There we are, 2026. Oh, we've got a star. Can't remember the star. Ah, you see, we haven't got a Christmas tree down here. Now, I wonder if it's the same Christmas tree down here that's been moved up to the square. Possibly, guys. But it's still impressive down here. We've got Father Christmas's sleigh, and we've got one over there as well, just in case one breaks down. We've got a balloon. If you want to go up in the balloon, we've got a beautiful balloon here, guys. Christmas presents. More Christmas trees. Oh look, all the palm trees are lit up. We've got more baubles there, all lit up on the right hand side near the church. There we are. Very, very impressive, isn't it, guys? Well, what did you think of the Christmas lights?
Amazing.
Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Christmas lights here in Ayia Napa. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.